What's up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm here with a student at the South Florida DMV location. As usual, I'm not saying what location it is because I'm not allowed to say what location it is. I'll show you, a view of what it looks like. You shouldn't be able to tell where it is. I'm with the student. She's about to do her driving test. Notice we're like dressed alike, even though we didn't plan it, by the way. Anyway, so we're gonna run through the driving test. We're gonna just run through it one time. We've been practicing and she's good now. She's ready to pass her test, so we'll just run through it real quick. All right, madam, so they're gonna ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
Left, away from the curb.
What else do you do?
Put the car in park, lift the handbrake, and turn off the ignition.
Okay, cool. Now they're gonna ask you to do the turn signal. So go ahead and signal left, signal right, blow the horn, press and release the brake. So they're gonna be checking to make sure that the lights are working, the horn's working. If the lights are not working, say the turn signal light, the brake lights, the horn, they're not gonna take you out in that car. Alright, so we're gonna run through it one time quickly. Alright, so they're gonna ask you to reverse and go to the left. So look behind you. Look both ways here. And when your mirror get to the end of the line, you're gonna turn all the way to the left. Alright. And again, you gotta treat this area, there are cars there. Even if there is no car there, you treat it like there's a car there, right? Put it in drive. And we're gonna go all the way down to the end of the street. And we're gonna make a left turn at the stop sign. Yeah, quick look. All the way down. Make a left. So when they tell you to make a left, you make sure you signal left, right? So every time they tell you to make a left or right, you make sure you signal. Because if you don't signal, you're going to lose 4 points for each one. So we're going to come to a complete stop here. You're going to go into the right lane and then you're going to make an immediate left turn. So you're looking both ways, obviously, to make sure it's clear.
Signal.
Signal, yeah. And then make a left again quickly. Make sure you're in your right lane. Close to the right side, because they're gonna have you park in between the cones. So signal left again, and we're going to line up the mirror so you can park, right? Alright, all the way left. Straighten up. Straight in. Perfect. Alright, cool. Alright, reverse and go to the right. So they're gonna tell you just like that. Remember, they're gonna be walking around talking to you on the phone, and they're gonna be giving you instruction like that. So you reverse, go into the right side, so turn all the way to the left. We're gonna go all the way down to the stop sign at the end of this corridor here, into the parking lot, and then make a left turn. Alright, so you signal left. So every time they tell you to turn, you signal. If you don't signal, you lose 4 points for each one. So make sure you signal every single time. Stop completely. 1, 2, 3. You're looking both ways to make sure it's clear. And then we're gonna make the second left turn here. So
Did I just turn all the way?
I did.
Oh.
I'd stay close to your right side here, and then they're gonna tell you to stop like about here. The next thing they're gonna tell you to do is to speed up to 20 and do a sudden stop. So go ahead, speed up 20 miles per hour and stop. Okay, cool, like that. Now they're gonna ask you to reverse straight back. So look behind you, look both ways. Look over here, look straight back. Yeah. And then reverse until I say stop. Alright, stop here. Next thing they're gonna ask you to do is to do the 3-point turn. So you signal left, turn all the way left until the wheel stops. Okay, go ahead and turn all the way to the right. Look over your left shoulder, yeah. And that's good. Put the car back in drive, signal left again, all the way left. So you go left twice in the 3-point turn, you signal left twice during the 3-point turn.
Okay.
Alright, cool. Alright, so now we're gonna make a right turn at the stop sign. One, two, three. Alright, go ahead. So again, you look both ways, make sure it's clear. And you're gonna make a right and then an immediate right. So you make sure that the mirror here is past the curb before you turn. Yeah. Because again, if you turn too early, your back wheel will definitely run over the curb. So you gotta make sure you're doing that. So you're gonna park to the left. Straighten up and stop. Put the car in park. Alright. How do you think you did? Yay. yeah, you did great actually. I expect you to get a good 100%.
150.
Okay, 150. That works.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, so you see how she did. She did great. I expect her to get at least 100%. Like seriously. So again, like the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. Share the video. Tell your friends about the channel. And I will see you guys on the next video.